Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Hi, everybody. Alongside Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cebulski. Welcome to EA Sports. International showdown here tonight. Does the environment change when you're playing nationally as opposed to a club?
100% it does, because it's a little bit different. You're not usually with regular teammates, so everything feels a little bit different, but you are playing for your country.
Just moments away from puck drop, both teams seem ready to go. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. This has been one we've been waiting for a while, and it's time to finally see what the payoff is all about. Takes the feed at the point. Great defensive effort breaking up the pass. Moves it to Ehlers. Ehlers plays the puck. From the back of the cage with the puck. From the point, looks to make something happen. Sends the pass over. Quick shot, blocked in traffic. Now a quick pass to Kuhnhackl. Kuhnhackl's got it on the offensive end. Team Germany's got the puck against the boards. Puts it to the front of the net. Blocked in traffic. Wrists one in close. Stopped by the goaltender. Save made by the goalie. Denies him.
He's right on it. 2 consecutive saves. Tough ones at that.
Here's a shot. Makes the save with the glove. A little crashing and banging forces the turnover. And it's a quick pass to Kuhnhackl. Into the corner. Germany's going to play the puck. Scores! No chance for the puck stopper on that one.
That's a quick one-timer right in front of the net. The pass is there. He's got no time to do anything with it. And he beats the goalie.
Team Germany's got that lead. They were talking about wanting to quiet that home crowd here.
Well, they certainly did. Out of the gate quickly. A couple of shifts. Now they're up 1-0.
Scored by number 8.
Gets it back.
Reader, assisted by number 30.
Puts it on net. Anderson's on top of that one for a whistle.
A little bit of traffic starting to form around the net.
Germany's offense is off to a good start here in the early goings. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Gets in front of it. Team Germany's had the shot advantages, and they also have the lead. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And the defenders come up with the puck. And now he tries to get it across to Russell. Great heads-up play in the defensive zone. And a smart heads-up read to come up with the puck. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Pokes the puck away. Gets the puck back here in the neutral zone. Reimer's going to play it against the half wall. Skates in behind the cage. No room for that one to get through. Along the half wall with the puck. Handles the puck at the point. Big time stop there. Tries to get it out of harm's way. Reimer's carrying it ahead. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. Moves it quickly over to Nielsen. Here's a shot. Comes up with the stop. Moves it around along the half wall. Strong feed from along the boards. Quick feed to Nielsen. Grabs the puck right in front and tries to escape the pressure. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Takes it across the blue line. Big time save on a big time shot.
Wow, did that sound like it hurts? You crash somebody against the boards like that, and there's nowhere to go.
Inching closer to the midway mark of this period, we've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Putting the hard hat on here. What a hit. Carries it across the line. Into the corner now. Slides it back to the blue line. Big save by the goaltender. Again, the denial by the goaltender.
After the first stop, he's in good position to make a second. I want to get another look at this one, James. This looks like it hurts. I'm glad I'm in a suit here.
Christensen's won the draw. And that's broken up. Right up the gut. Here they go. Back at the point, they set it up. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Shoots it, shuts him down. Slides the puck over. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. On the attack along the boards. Back to the blue line. Sends a pass over. And that one's stopped. Here's a short pass to Christensen. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Here they are on the attack. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Gets a hold of the puck here at his own end. They've got the defense outnumbered. Shoots it and makes the save. Great defensive effort with the stick. Big save by the goaltender once again. Moves the puck to Boddicker. Handles the puck. With possession along the wall. And he slides it quickly to Christensen. Takes the pass. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Rips it along the wall. Makes the save on the slapper.
Wow, did the ice get small for him? There's nowhere to go, and he had to absorb this huge hit.
Still lots of time left here in this frame. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Draisaitl's won the draw here in the offensive zone. And that one goes up and over.
He had plenty of time to step into this. He'd like to get this on the net because no matter how hard he shot it, it was up too high.
Stopped by the goaltender. With some momentum driving towards the net. Quick pass to Russell. Read it perfectly and breaks up the play.
The coach is encouraging them to keep taking chances with the puck. Try and make up the deficit.
Moves it to Kuhnhackl. Look out! What a hit! You gotta keep your head up out there. Moves the puck along the half wall. Takes the feed. Makes the save. Quick pass over to Ehlers. Looks to set up at the point now. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Moves it quickly over. He scores!
Now you got to keep clawing back. Trailing in the game, they get the equalizer. Quick release beats the goaltender. I think the goalie felt it. He was in the perfect position. He didn't really move too much, but just inside the post.
Past the midway mark of the frame, you can feel the energy in this crowd. It's a tie game. And play resumes as the puck is dropped.
Scored by number 27, Oliver Bjorkstrand.
Pass back to the point.
Number 24, Nikolai.
Oh, they telegraphed, trying to gain a step. He's in all alone. No, broken up from behind. Jensen's got the puck. Takes the feed at the back end. Moves the puck. Nice pass. Play rolls on. From the opposite point.
Really solid shift here. Their puck possession game has been outstanding. Now they've got it again, and they can hold it down underneath the blue line.
Lets it go! Zero fear on this guy's part as he blocks it. Rocks him. Tosses it on to Boddicker. Bodeker's got it in the offensive zone. Takes that pass back at the point. Unloads one. Carries the puck up through center. Quick feed to Boyle. And here's a shot. Oh, and he completely blew it on that miss.
Yeah, you got to get it on the net, James. You've got an opportunity to score, and you don't even test the goalie.
Denies him on the play. Takes the feed. Takes it across the blue line. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Receives the pass. Into the offensive zone. Handles it along the blue line. Rips it. The lane was plugged up and that shot's blocked. Locked in on that last opportunity there.
Gosh is able to get everything behind this hit. He really lays one on here.
Past the halfway mark of this period, the next goal could be a big one as we are tied. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Oh, what a stop from the place 99 made famous. Big stop by the keeper.
Quick reflexes. You make one, you make two stops before the puck is cleared away.
Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Over the line they come. Here's a short pass to Eller. Sends the pass over. Great poke check on the reach. Great reactionary save on that chance. Off the draw and a nice job locking up his opponent. Lugs the puck back into the neutral zone. Misses high.
That feels like a wasted opportunity. You got to get it on target.
Might have skipped up on him right before he let it go. Back to the point it goes. Oh, wow! What a save with the glove.
We'll get a look at that crushing hit again. Right along the board. He finishes right through the player.
Getting into the later stages of this period, we got a tie game. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Passes it over to Kuhnhackl. Along the half wall with the puck. Slides the puck over. Quick pass to Holzer. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Cahoon. Knocked away. From the left wing, takes the feed. Gets the puck in deep. Germany's gained possession along the boards. And now he moves it quickly to Kuhnhackl. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. And now he angles it across to Cahoon. A howitzer. Big time stop. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Sends a pass over. Glides along the blue line. Bodeker's hauled down. Penalty on the way. Russell's got it against the boards. Here inside the offensive end, takes the feed from along the boards. Battling for it along the boards. Moves it to Russell. Takes a shot. Board! Out! Here comes the call. We got a minor penalty coming up here on this one.
James. I mean, this call was going to be made. You could see the play develop, and now they're going to have to serve 2 minutes.
Denmark's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
They've worked on the power play a lot at practice over the last couple of days. This is their first one tonight, and they'll want to execute what they've worked on, which is to win the draw and start moving the puck.
32 seconds.
Moves it around along the half wall. Takes the a feed at the point. Moves it quickly over to Russell. Tape-to-tape feed on the blue line. A chance from the slot. Oh, what a save in front. Tries to clear. And he moves the puck across the blue line out of the defensive zone. Passes the puck over to Jensen. Here they come on the attack. Handles the puck at the point. Heads deep inside the offensive zone. Long jam in front. That's broken up. Gets it out of his own end. And leaves the comfort of his crease to play the puck. Last call here on this man advantage.
Yeah, the power play's got to get the puck up the ice with a little bit of urgency.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Both teams back to even strength. Impressive job by the penalty killers on that play.
That's a long time to sit in the penalty box when the game is tied and you've just taken a penalty to put your team shorthanded. But he gets bailed out. The penalty kill does an excellent job.
Here's a chance right out in front. Stopped by the goaltender.
I like the way he tracks the puck here. He's got to find it, and then he gets his body right in front of it. That's a good save. That was a big hit. You've got to be willing to put your own body on the line to make a hit like that.
Is where we sit after the first 20 minutes of play.
During the game, please remember to be alert at all times in our seating area. Even with enhanced safety measures, there are moments when a puck can be propelled into the spectating area with enough force to cause injury. So please...
And while both teams get a refresher, we'll take one ourselves heading into the second period. Clean sheet of ice, period 2 is set to go. Still tied up here as we get underway here in period number 2. Well, we've got over 20 minutes played thus far. Ray, how have you seen things?
Denmark's got to get on their horse a little bit here, James. They really haven't generated much in the way of shots on goal yet.
Ehlers gets a hold of the puck. Rocks him on the play. Grabbed along the board by Kuhnhackl. And he slides it quickly to Cajon. That's intercepted. He's got a step. What a stop by the goalie.
Man, he read that like a children's book. Nowhere to go once the deke was made. He ran right through him on that hit. Lined him up, timed it perfectly.
James Cybulski, Ray Ferraro with you here in the early going of this period. It's all tied up. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Dives in front of the shot to block it. On the attack along the boards. From the boards, he takes that pass. Feeds it down low. Slides it back to the blue line. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Slides the puck down low. Under all sorts of pressure, trying to protect the puck. Team Denmark's across the blue line. Moved out in front. Scores! And he puts his team in front.
James, this game looked really comfortable as a tie game. Now they're ahead. They've got to continue to push. Really nice play. Quick pass on the tape and into the net. So quickly the goalie can't get closed up and make the save.
Denmark's jumped out to a one-goal lead here in the second.
Breaking the tie was critical. Now you can play in front and try and dictate the pace of the game.
Solid body contact. Sends it over to Gotch. Gotch has got it along the wing. And now it's grabbed by Jensen. Carries the puck through the neutral zone. Back at the point, they set it up. Move to the middle. Wrist shot from the slot. Big time stop.
Grubauer's able to keep the score the same. He turns away a slot shot. That's going to is an enormous hit that he took.
Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. And a great save! Wrist shot from the slot, denies him again!
Oh, he followed the puck really well there. A couple of good stops.
Carries it in. Puts the puck on net, and he comes up with it.
One of the things he was working on is trying to control where the puck goes after he stops it. The corner is a pretty safe place.
Gets it to the other point. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Can't connect. Now a quick pass to Jensen. Puck set across the blue line. Back to the blue line. Hammers the shot. Team Denmark's got a hold of it against the wall. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Carries it across the line. With possession along the wall. Looks to set up at the point now. Boyle's got the puck near the back end. And the lane's clogged up, blocking that. Picking up some steam at center ice. Moves the puck along the half wall. And that goes wide.
He's got to do something a little better than that. Just can't finish it from there.
Wonder if that gives him a nightmare later. A chance on goal. Stopped by the goaltender. He got a little piece of that one. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Pass back to the point. Handles the puck. Takes the pass. Point-to-point pass. Quick feed to Jensen. Looks to set up along the point. And that skips away on the nice. He scores! Well, when it rains, it pours.
Man, they are just coming out in buckets right now as they get 3 straight. Really a dominating performance. He's tight to the net. He doesn't have much time. And that snapshot beats the goaltender from the low slot.
Denmark's now gone up by a pair in the second.
So they've got a 2-goal lead. Some people say it's the worst lead in hockey. Well, guess what? I'll take the worst lead as opposed to trailing by 2.
Yeah, you know what's better than down by 2? Being up by 2, right?
course it is.
Simple. Kuhnhackl swooping in on the attack. Here's a short pass to Holzer. Shot in front. Makes the stop with the blocker. Great reflexes, another save.
Stop 1, stop 2. The goalie makes a couple of excellent saves.
Inching closer to the midway mark of the period. Team Denmark's been the better team here over the last few minutes, increasing their lead to 2. Looks to set up from the side now. Fires one and makes the save. There's another stop. Bjorkstrand's got it across the line. Here's a shot, and there's the save. Nielsen's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. No quarter given here as they battle for the loose puck along the boards. Team Germany's moving the puck through center ice. Moved into the middle, and that one's broken up. Denies him! Quick feed down low. Couldn't catch up to that pass. Slides it diagonally to Russell. Russell's got it into offensive territory. Takes the feed at the back end. Shot, and that one's turned away. Plays the puck up ahead. Quick pass to Draisaitl. Cahoon's going to play it against the half wall. And that one's broken up. Moves it to Christensen. Takes the feed. Christensen's got the puck. And it's a quick pass to Boddicker. Pokes it away to stay on the attack. Makes the save as he got a blocker on it. Takes it across the blue line. Moves it quickly over to Draisaitl. And now he moves it to Boyle. Moves the puck. And he slides it quickly to Boyle. Lugs the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. And a good use of the body to knock the puck loose. Germany's got a hold of it along the wall. Along the half wall with the puck. Quick feed to Holzer.
Man, they've worked the puck around so well on this shift. They've totally worn out the defending team. About two things are going to happen here, it seems like. They're going to either take a penalty or they're going to give up a goal. This is a great shift.
Team Germany's got the puck along the wall. Over the line they come. Here's a short pass to Holzer. Nice pass. Quick pass to Cahoon. Moves right to the middle. On the doorstep, backhander. Big save. And now it's over to Ehlers. And now he moves it quickly to Jensen. And that one's broken up. Nice poke check inside the attacking zone. And that goes wide.
That's not going to do much good. A shot from the point that is a howitzer. It goes over the net. Who's going to tip that?
And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Moves it around along the half wall. Puck lands back onto a stick. From the slot, fires away, and he makes the save.
He makes the glove stop right from the slot. That's a dangerous chance.
Past the midway mark of the frame, James and Ray with you tonight. Crowd's been into this one right from the get-go. It's 3-1. Grabs the puck here inside the offensive end. Stick save by the goaltender.
Dead center, excellent save.
And he slides it quickly to Ehlers. What a great read breaking up the pass. Gets a piece of it with the glove. Here they come on the attack. Here's the pass. Right up front. Knocked away. Gives them nothing in front.
Yeah, he got out tight to him, James. There's nowhere for that puck to go.
Puck lands right back onto the blade. Forces the turnover. Slides that one right across the blue line. Turned aside with the glove by Anderson. Germany's been the busier team offensively with way more shots on goal, but they still trail in the second. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Takes that pass back at the point. Puts it on net with the stop.
Reimer's trying to brace himself. He knows the hit's coming, but man, does he get leveled.
Team Germany's had a lot of good looks on net, but they continue to trail here in the second. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Denmark's looking to break out. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Takes the feed. Lets it go. And he scores! What a shot!
Now coaches talk about getting to the front of the net, make it difficult on the goalie, take his eyes away. Man, he only could see the players' butts in front of him. He can't even see the puck.
Team Denmark's been dominant tonight as they make their way back to center.
They have scored almost at will, in particular here in this second period.
From the neutral zone now. There's the whistle. Offside is the call.
Number 40, Jesper Jensen. By number 36, time of the goal, 14 minutes, 43 seconds.
Germany's look good offensively to this point, but they continue to trail here in the second. And a solid job tying up his opponent. A spirited battle along the boards for the puck. Team Germany's got the puck along the boards. Grabs the puck in the defensive zone. Kicked up ahead to his teammate who skates away. Now a quick pass to Boyle. And it's a quick pass to Boyle. Denmark's gained possession along the boards. Handles it along the blue line. Love that hit.
That became the end of the road there. The power forward really used his weight and laid out a good hit.
Jensen's got it in the offensive zone. That's a great heads-up play to break up the pass.
I'm not so sure his coaches are going to love that.
He scores! Jumps on the rebound and buries it.
You want money, you go to the bank. You want bread, you go to the store. You want goals, you get into the net. The rebound's there, he puts it away.
Germany's got something to build on here as we approach the third period, Ray.
Give them a little chance as they trail in this game, but man, they've got to be a lot better.
Puck is dropped and play resumes. Moves it to Nielsen. Nielsen's got it against the boards. From off the boards, takes the feed inside the zone. And he slides it quickly to Jensen. Here's a shot, easily turned away with the glove. Back to the point it goes. From the slot, off target.
You can go games without a chance from here.
And that's broken up with a stick in front. A chance right in front, turns it away.
High quality chance, high quality save.
Moves it to Gotch. There's the whistle, and a penalty is coming up on this one. Sin bin bound for tripping.
I always hated taking tripping penalties. It always felt like there was something I could have done better than that.
And the power play unit takes to the ice their first chance to try to make something happen in this game.
Key for any team on the power play is to get control of the puck first. So we'll look at the face-off, and this power play at the very least has to generate a little momentum. It's their first crack at it tonight.
Slides it quickly to Kuhnhackl. Comes up with the stop. Team Denmark's got it in their own zone and manages to clear the zone. Jostles the puck loose. Rocked him in the open ice. Denmark's got a hold of it against the wall. Moves it quickly over to Eller. Gets it out of his own end. Second intermission approaching quickly here. Moves the puck over to Kuhnhackl. On the attack along the boards. Receives the pass. Kicked away. Nice pad save by the goaltender.
I think through traffic like that, you're just hoping the thing hits you.
Right out front. A strong penalty-killing performance on that one as both teams are now back to even strength.
These are the power plays that drive coaches crazy. They didn't really generate anything. They didn't force the penalty killers at all. Kind of a waste of time.
And that'll do it for period number 2. They'll head to the room with a score, 4-2.
Are you looking for information on the stars of tomorrow today? Check out page 21 of the program or our website for profiles on farm team members on the verge of making it to the big league.
The third period is just moments away, and both Ray and I will be ready to bring you all the action here on EA Sports. Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray, I'm James, and we are ready to kickstart this third period. Barring extra time, the final frame of this one. Here we go. Third period is underway. 40 minutes into this one here. Razor, how do you see things?
Team Denmark's got a lead in this game, which is probably a last shot win sort of thing. Man, it's been out of control for 2 periods. I love it.
Oh, and he misses an opportunity there.
Looking to be too perfect. Get it on the net. You've got a better chance to squeak one through the goaltender than if you miss it outside the net.
And that's blocked. And makes the easy glove save.
Anderson's able to make the save as we see here. This is a good scoring chance, but he's in good position.
Team Germany's been the better team, but not necessarily boasting the better goaltender, trailing early in the third. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Puts it towards the net. Big time stop there. Scooped up along the wall by Nielsen. Germany's got a hold of it along the wall. Reeder's got it in the offensive end. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Denies him in front. Nice pass back. And he takes a shot. Scores! Oh, that was a beauty!
Goalie's trying to read here. He gets out at the top of his crease, makes the move to the butterfly, still gets beat up over the blocker.
Team Denmark's goal-scoring abilities have been on full display so far this evening and here in the third.
Really impressive display. They've moved the puck well, skated, really forechecked. Well, there's really nothing they haven't done tonight.
Number 51, Franz Nielsen.
Stops him with a glove!
Number 63, Patrick Russell. And by number 6, time of the goal, 1 minute 51 seconds.
Lots of time left in this period. Denmark's got a 3-goal lead. Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. Reimer's carrying it ahead. And now he tries to get it across to Gotch. Team Denmark's got the puck along the wall. Into the offensive end now. Sends the pass over. Off target.
Tough to generate a rebound even when the puck misses the net by that much.
With possession along the wall. Right in the slot. Reimer's got it along the wing. Slides the puck over. Tees it up. He scores! Now it's only a 2-goal game.
Also, it gets progressively better for them, but they need another one. They got to throw a quick back-to-back goal up here. Well, that screen looked like it was just about perfect, didn't it? He doesn't even react as this puck goes by him.
Team Germany's still got to find 2 more goals, but they at least have 1 back.
That gives them a little bit of hope, and the bench seems to have come alive a little bit.
Germany goal, scored by number 82.
Moves the puck along the half wall. Big-time defensive play.
Moritz Seider. And by number
Through center along the wing.
Patrick Reimer. Time of the goal, 3 minutes 14
Along the half wall with the puck. Stays with it. Moves it around along the half wall. And forces a huge turnover here with the steal. Here's a chance. Takes the feed at the point. Sends it over. Stopped by the goaltender. Carries it in. Here he is trying to get loose. Huge stop by the goaltender.
Oh, he read that perfectly. Excellent position to make the stop on the breakaway.
A chance in front. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Puts it on goal. Gobbles that puck up with his chest.
I need to take another look at that. I thought there was room to get by. Clearly, I was wrong. I'm glad I don't have to take the hit he just took.
More than half the period left to play. Germany still behind the 8 balls. They trail by 2 goals. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. And comes up empty. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Denmark's got possession here in the neutral zone. Ehlers setting up against the wall. Quick feed to Kuhnhackl. Lifts the stick and takes the puck. Carries it across the line. Handles the puck at the point. And that's blocked away. Picked up along the wall by Cahoon. Denied by the goaltender. Team Germany's Achilles heel tonight has been finding offense as they trail here in the third. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Into the corner of the attacking area. Slides it back to the blue line. Germany's got the puck inside the defensive zone. From the left side, takes it at center. He says, let's get physical on that play. Now he takes it over the line. They've got numbers. Here's a shot. Shuts him down. Team Germany's got control of it now from their own end. Takes a shot with the stop. He scores! Well, don't turn this one off yet.
Well, you better not. We're still here. If we're here, you got to be here too. Now, what a tough break for the goaltender. This thing's just shoveled towards the net somehow. And as it's bouncing around, the goalie can't track it, can't keep his body in front of it. Now he's got to fish it out from behind him.
Germany's come back with a big one here in the third.
Grind away, dig away, now you got a chance, only trailing by 1 goal.
This neutral zone face-off set to go, and we are back underway.
Reno, assisted by number 11, Nico Sturm, and by number 45, time of the goal, 7.
Hangs onto the puck. Here's a short pass to Reimer. With the blast. Makes the save and putting out the fire in front. Takes it across the blue line. Kind of lost control for a second there, but regains possession. And he stands tall in goal.
Gosh has made this part of his game. He levels his opponent here.
Getting closer to the halfway point of this frame. Team Germany's shown a new energy over these last few minutes. They got one back, but they still need one more in order to tie. That's off a stick. Over the line they come. Back at the point, they set it up. Denied by the goaltender. Germany's failed to convert on scoring opportunities, and lots of them here in this third period. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Strong defensive effort, and he regains control of the puck. Sends a pass over. Here's an odd man rush. Draisaitl's going to play it against the half wall. Takes it from the other side of the blue line. Quick pass to Boyle. Team Denmark's got the puck now. Knocked away. Puck grabbed by Russell. He carries the puck up along the wing. Russell's got the puck. Back to the blue line. Hammers one from the point. Feeds it on over to Cahoon. Cahoon swooping in on the attack. Gets in front of it. Past the halfway mark of this period. 1-goal game here. 5-4 is where we sit. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Moves it to Eller. And now he moves it quickly to Bjorkstrand. Puts it on net. Too much congestion in front. Team Germany's got the puck in the defensive end. Handles the pass from along the boards. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Slides the puck near the front of the net. That goes off a twig. Looks to set up at the point now. Battle along the boards. Germany's got the puck along the boards. Here they come on the attack. Hammers one. Big time glove save. Team Germany's got to be frustrated with how things have played out tonight, trailing in this third period. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Can't hang on after that hit. Denmark's gained possession along the boards and tries to make a diagonal pass to Jensen. Read it perfectly and breaks up the play. Moves it quickly over to Holzer. Holzer's got it in the offensive zone. Handles the puck. Carries it in. From against the wall, it's centered out. Quick feed to Jensen. trying to get back on the attack now. Oh, that gets a piece of the stick.
Oh, he had to get up tight to the puck. In close. He takes away any room.
Slides it to Jensen. Team Denmark's got a hold of the puck. On the attack along the boards. Germany's got it from behind the net. Seidenberg's got it across the line. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Completely misses on the play.
You don't even make the goalie work here. You've got to make him have to do something in the net. The hitting hasn't let up at all since the beginning of the game. All night, both teams have been on the body.
More than half the frame has been played here. 9 goals and counting so far. It's 5-4. Christensen's won the draw deep in the defensive zone. Takes the bank feed. Big play inside the defensive zone. Carries it across the line. Snaps it on net. Fantastic save.
Oh, you're not going to get a better chance than that, but the goalkeeper does a great job.
With possession along the wall. Stopped by the goaltender. Another stop by the goaltender.
Yeah, he's pretty good positioning here, James. He makes the 2 stops back-to-back.
And we've got a 2-on-1. Trying to shake the defender. Huge stop on the breakaway.
Close game and the score does not change because of an outstanding effort by the goaltender.
He's got a little jump. He's in all alone. What a save on the play. And another stop.
Oh, that's a key save to keep his team in the lead. Really solid work by the goaltender.
Team Germany's running out of time. They need to find a goal here quickly as they trail late in the third. Draisaitl's won the draw. Denmark's got the puck in their own end. Bodker's got it into offensive territory. Pass back to the point. And he slides it quickly to Nielsen. Intercepts the pass. Puts it up front. Still keeps a hold of the puck. Gets a pad on it to keep the team at bay. Picks it off in the offensive end. Here's a chance right in the slot. Germany's got control of the puck. Here they are on the attack. Moves the puck along the half wall. Stones him in front.
But he came out and challenged him. Good save.
Team Denmark's got a hold of it against the wall. Bodker's got it on the offensive end. Along the half wall with the puck. And now he angles it across to Russell. And sends it just out of reach. Up along the wing. Right up front. Can't connect. Denmark's looking to break out of their own end. Takes the pass. Here's a chance. Stopped by the goaltender. Team Germany's got it in their own zone. Here's a chance. Comes up with the stop. Oh, and another big stop.
Nice work in there after the first stop. He's got to find the puck to save the second.
Slides the puck across to Nielsen.
If you can play in this 100 feet of the ice, you're going to probably win this game. Get the puck into the offensive zone with a simple, smart play. Get after it and try to forecheck.
Takes the feed. Solid check to slow him down. Nielsen's carrying it ahead. Right to the middle. A little rock'em sock'em on the play. Ehlers gets a hold of the puck in the corner. And that one's stopped. Save made by the goalie.
Oh, he's locked right in. A couple of stops in a row there.
They desperately need a goal. The net is empty and the extra attacker's out. Here's a shot. And that caroms right off the mask.
That's got to hurt. I don't care how much equipment you have or how good the mask is. That thing's coming 80-plus miles an hour. That's got to hurt.
Stopped by the goaltender.
Now we'll get another look at this. That's a good shot, but the goalie's getting the blocker up to make the save.
Germany's had more shots on goal, but yet they've run into a hot goalie. And they trail late in this third period. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Fires towards the empty net. Just wide. And that's all she wrote from this one here tonight.
Well, they get the win and really controlled many of the small areas of the game. They were good in the face-off. Their center ice position is such a strength for them.
On behalf of Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cybulski. Thanks for joining us. Good night.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.